Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a killer 1994 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 short box pickup. Killer little truck, guys. Love the color combination. It is original factory. I think they call this Bright Teal and ultra silver metallic. You'll see as we get some sunshine back on it. Beautiful color on the truck. Factory two-tone gray cloth interior. Just a killer little short box OBS. 82,000 original miles. Clean Carfax. Just a very nice truck. If you're looking for a fun little short box to drive around, I think you'll have a blast with this thing. Again, clean Carfax. It's originally out of California, and just a super nice truck. We have the original owner's manuals. We got the service records for the truck. Killer truck. There's some little stone packs and things like that. Like I said, it's got 82,000 miles on it, but very, very well maintained truck, guys. Sorry, a little drip probably coming out of the building off the... As you can see, just a super nice truck. It's got the custom rubber mat. You can see there's a few little scrapes on the inside of the bed. A very, very nice truck. New rubber all the way around it. Of course, custom wheels. They have had a custom lowering kit put on it. They had that all professionally installed. Good size tire on it. You can kind of nitpick it for that. Those front tires, if you cut it hard, they will kind of touch those inner fenders, but it doesn't hurt anything. They're rubber inner fenders, so he just liked the look with the bigger tires on it. And I'll tell you what, it rides real good. Goodyear Eagles all the way around it. Again, killer set of Centerline wheels. Original 5.7 liter fuel injected engine, 4L60 automatic overdrive trans. Everything's pretty much just bone stock in here. Power steering, power front disc brakes. They did have the AC just serviced. It blows ice cold. Just as clean underneath as it is on top. Sorry if you've seen that, just a little wax or something. Same thing there. Love the color. Factory dual mirrors. All your door tags and everything are still in there. Door seams are nice and clean. Power windows, power locks. This is all the factory interior. Scrapes in there. Factory bucket seats. It's got the captain's chairs there. Center console. Headliner looks great. Tilt column. Cruise. 82,840 on your odometer. Factory tach and gauges. Got the original Delco am-fm cassette radio. Original owner's manual is in the parts list tag is still in the glove box. They have put a custom exhaust system on it. It is also its factory 373 rear axle. Just a clean, fun little truck, guys. Clean underneath. As always, there's photos of all our vehicles underneath on our website. We are encouraging everybody to please call us right now if you're looking at one of our vehicles. A lot of scams out there right now, so pick up the phone and call us. 248-620-3355. Can't stress that enough, guys. Pick up the phone and give us a call. Good looking truck right there. Real good looking truck. Oh, it's got, yeah, I saw it. Look. Right there. Maybe just get your air on it, blows ice cold. Great running truck right there. It's got a front spoiler with some fog lights on it. All your gauges are functional. It's holding good oil pressure. Everything opens and closes real nice. Oh, we got a yeah, it is cold. Our weather has changed. Thing in there functions, radio works. It's got fog lights down there working. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of us. You can also now subscribe to southernmotors.com, so you get an update every time I post a car on our website. Have a great day, guys.